Hi, I'm Benno H. from the mountain of Switzerland, and you see here a showcase of this Gyroid Torus, 3D shaped Coollab-node, what I done for the community. And I want to show you the options for short and some examples when we have time. I want to be very short, so we change just quick from here arena to Coollab itself. Always it will be sometime for short black when I changed that, and so we are here in the Coollab self. You see here I prepared this project. You can download that project on my GitHub account, and first we go to a poor Gyroid node, and here you see the options 1, 2, 3, 4 options, and you see here presets I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 presets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 presets. We got it. I stepped through. This is a half open. The first was the standard open, convoluted, and a trippy on, and aqua, and Marbella ball. It's a little bit marble. It's more a texture than or pattern, and also this is a thing. But here you must go closer by the 3D cam. But I changed me back a bit, so we see that I take this half open for the demonstration, and change a bit the view a little bit, so it's nice, huh? And a bit bigger we can go, and so we are back here in the options. First you have this major radius. You see, if I open that, the whole radius, the whole thing will be bigger. It's also like a size of that. And then you have a mirror radius. This is the inside radius, not the outside radius. The major radius is like the outside radius, but it takes also with them the inside radius, manipulates a little bit then. But here it's only the inside radius that is manipulated. In some case, okay, a little bit, you can't do that otherwise. And so here we are, the gyroscope scale, the gyroid scale, how much holes and inside things that has. You see that will be crush away the whole gyroids. You can do funny animation by that and stuff like what you like it. So we go back to our half open preset. These presets you can also download it on my GitHub website, and here you have the thickness of the material. But first, to show, first I want to go a bit. Yes, we can do that. So like that. So here maybe. So you see when I put that the thickness away, this is how a paper sculpture, like a paper sculpture then. And so we go back and I'll show you again what we happen. Here in really downsize it, it's very difficult to do that. So you show this and you study it for yourself a little bit, but I show you now what I done in this project for examples. First we have that preset here, the convoluted preset, and I do this animating. I animate that by a time node. Here you can see the time node. It has always a speed. Here you can see what I do, and then of set point if you like to use that, but I don't use it. And I inflated that a bit, so you can do that look like some lampion for some fiesta or something like that. And when we go back to this original, what is only animated by rotation, you can coloring that by a color ramp, and the color ramp what I use looks like that here. And so we go to the next example. The next one is this trippy preset, what I also animate by the same rotation like before. And here I do some inflat too, then it looks like that, but the inflat is auto positioned there. And when I zoom through a bit, and when I use a color map here, then it looks like that. But you can do out of this a lot of different other stuffs.